speaking of rented or not, guaranteed income, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi we have this on other projects, di ba? You are managing your own unit for your rentals, for your investment. Pero here, rented or not, yung specific unit mo, you have nothing to worry about. Kasi it is operating as a whole. So, operation ng hotel is divided by the 374 units. Of course, depende din sa investment nila. Proportionately divided pa rin.
You own a condominium, di ba? This one is technically condotel, pero we are selling it as a hotel unit. So basically, yung dito, it's a hassle-free investment. Kasi the Megaworld will be the one to manage your unit. Diba, normally sa mga condominium, ganyan, ikaw pa yung sa mga cleaners, mag-aayos sa mga cleaners.
Yes, you have to promote your condo as well for Airbnb.
Correct.
But with this one, mismo si Savoy na yung magpo-promote, magpo-post on social.
It's really a passive investment so that you can focus more on what you enjoy. Of course, ang investors natin, they have their own jobs, own businesses, yung focus nila, di ba? So this one, it's an avenue for really passive income.
Totoo, we definitely agree with that. And actually, sa hotel dito, it's a mix of mga units, di ba? We have twin suite.
May mga queen suite with queen size bed. We also have yung mga junior suite, the executive suite. So, ang daming options ng mga clients natin. It's like 25 square meters to 52.5 square meters. And good thing about Megaworld as well, talagang kinonsider nila yung mga guests na may dalang persons with disabilities, o kaya may mga dalang wheelchairs. That's why we have the specially abled suite for them. It's 39 square meters naman.
So, it really caters every client.